Yes, here we are, the best DIY adventure known to man, Rainbow Bridge, which is allegedly banned because we might scare the birds. We've always had the right to carry on the central section. I'm not sure what the deal with that is now, but you'll see. The guillemots over there really don't care. They're right over there and we're going down here. I wonder if there's a little friend down here. Let's see. Oh, I see a bag. That's that bag there. I reckon he's gone off for a lap without me because I'm bloody late. Bloody has. I'm gonna have to catch him up. I've got to go down there. Oh, the guillemots. They're just, they're really not interested.
Bullshit.
We can't get started on the climb because Ken is just prevaricating and telling us how shit the Tour de France is, all cycling and that every other form of sport but climbing is shit.
No, I don't even think climbing's that good.
No, climbing is shit as well, but we can't help it. Right, we're going. What do you think, Kendall?
I think you were great. Even though you fell in, you were still great.
It was 1-1 1-1 to the guillemots. We just got a bollocking and he's threatened to call the police. Even after the argument, the guillemots are still there. And yeah, a historic flop.